Are you a commercial service contractor overwhelmed by juggling technician schedules, managing work orders, and ensuring timely invoicing? Well, keeping operations smooth can be a daunting task without the right tools. Meet ServiceTrade. This is actually a field service management platform designed specifically for commercial service contractors like you. It streamlines operations, enhances technician productivity, and improves customer satisfaction. Imagine having a centralized system where you can schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, track progress, and communicate with clients, all in real time. Service Trades offers this and more, helping you deliver exceptional service while boosting your bottom line. In this tutorial, we'll explore how Service Trade can transform your field service operations. We'll provide an overview of the platform and delve into its key features, including scheduling, technician management, project oversight, and client communication. Plus, we'll highlight resources to help you get started. Without further ado, let's go. So, first things first, head over to their website, which is servicetrade.com. From in there, you should be able to actually see this right there. So, here we have the field service management software that can turn chaos into control for your services, projects, and technicians. This is actually an end to end service platform entrusted by commercial service contractors. So if you want, you can click onto this get demo in order to learn more. So in here, you can see that this actual software can help people run commercial contracting business seamlessly. They have office coordination, and you can see in here what it will look like. It can help improve operational efficiency in preventative management or maintenance and inspection work, dispatch for emergency service calls, and complete projects on budget, and simplify service or customer management. We have in here an example of a schedule of a particular person. For example, we have in here three employees, and we have in here a schedule of those employees based on the days of the week. So you can adjust those schedules according to your liking for that. You can also input in here the item as well as supports and labor it cost, unit cost as well as a unit price for that. You can see in here the total cost for you as well as the grand total that you will send for invoice on the client. It will automatically compute as well your gross margin so you can never compute it on your own again. It actually helps things easier for you through this case. Now, they also have a technician productivity. You can equip field technicians with the right technology to be more productive with equipment service history, tasking checklists, inspection reports, and repair documentation, letting them do their best to prevent disruptive emergency calls and provide an exceptional customer service. So, for example, right here we have in here this. We have the preventive maintenance as well as the job description for this particular job. So you can input right here the actual on-site as well as the things needed for this case. We have in here the job as well as the time and date for that, the name of the customer, and you can also provide the technician with checklists such as inspection, changing filters, and cleaning drains. So in that way, they will never miss a steps that can also ensure the customer satisfaction. You can also input right here the most common deficiencies through this way. So you will actually go over and then satisfy your customer more on the next visit. They also have management visibility. So we can see in here the particular graph for your revenue and cost. For example, you can see your total cost, your total revenue, as well as your gross margin. You can also input right here ready to be invoiced option. You can sort this revenue and cost by job type. You can see that we have preventive maintenance, service call, installation, and repair. And you can see which of them is a top performer into this particular case on the revenue and cost. So in that way, you can gain oversight and control over your field service business to identify and remove inefficiencies that reduce productivity in the office and the field. So as you can see right here under the revenue, the actual part or the actual repair category that serves the most is preventative maintenance. But on the cost, you can see that it's service call. So there may be some deficiencies based on this one, so you can adjust them accordingly in order to increase profits while also maintaining customer satisfaction. Now they also have here sales success. So in that way you can win more service agreements and inspection contracts with a customer relation management that manages the sales funnel, creates professional proposals, sends reminders and delivers documents electronically. So for example, we have in here this quote win percent by salesperson. They can input right here the salesperson and how much they have won onto the actual service agreement. We have in here sold the plan for the agreement, projects, as well as the total. You can see in here the total amount of how much they have earned for you. And you can also put in here a leaderboard so they can get inspired to do more for you. Now we also have in here the client communication that we talked about earlier. So, in that way, you can build loyalty and create lasting customer satisfaction with transparent and proactive online communication that's built into your daily workflows. So, you can input your logo right here, your company name, your number, as well as your address. Now, a particular client, they can inquire a particular service as well as the efficiencies for that in a parable and attach some pictures or videos. So in that way, you can learn more about the problem that they're having and you can get them the right solution to their problem. So you can also message them through this particular case, keeping a particular transparent communication with your client. So we have in here products of Service Trade. They have the platform or Service Trade that gives you office coordination through scheduling, dispatching, ports manager. They have Technician mobile app, Inspection Manager, and time cards. They have Customer Portal, Customer Service Link. They have Business Reporting, Accounting Integrations, and Project Management. They also have Service Sales CRM and Coding. And last but not the least, we have the Smart AI that you can easily integrate into your Smart Trade. So now you know that Smart Trade is a comprehensive solution for commercial service contractor. So if you're ready to transform your field service operations, click onto this Get Demo option. And then from in there, just input your actual information, then schedule a live demo, and then wait for a sales representative to get in touch with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others in the service industry. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thank you so much for watching.